मॉक टेस्ट 2। टोटल मार्क्स 150। टोटल क्वेश्चंस 100। टाइम 2 आवर्स। नेगेटिव मार्किंग 0.5। बॉटनी क्वेश्चंस 1/28। Genetics, insert class 12. 1. Mendel selected pea plants for his experiments because A. They have a long life cycle. B. They possess many easily distinguishable contrasting characters. C. They reproduce only vegetatively. D. They lack true breeding lines. 2. A monohybrid cross produces the phenotypic ratio. A. 1:02 और 1 सेकंड। B. 3:01। C. 9, 3, 3, 1। D. 2:01। 3. Which law states that alleles separate during gamete formation? A. Law of dominance. B. Law of segregation. C. Law of independent assortment. D. Law of inheritance. 4. Test cross is performed by crossing an individual with A. Homozygous dominant. B. Homozygous recessive. C. Heterozygous. D. F hybrid. 5. The chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by A. Watson and Crick. B. Sutton and Boveri. C. Mendel. D. Morgan. 6. A crossing over occurs during A. Leptotene. B. Cygotene. C. Pachytene. D. Diplotene. 7. Which chromosome determines sex in human males? A. XX. B. YY. C. XY. D. XO. 8. The unit of recombination is A. Gene. B. Centimorgan. C. Chromosome. D. Codon. 9. Linkage was first discovered by A. Mendel. B. Morgan. C. Bateson and Punnett. D. Darwin. 10. The father of genetics is A. Morgan. B. Darwin. C. Gregor Mendel. D. Bateson. Molecular basis of inheritance. 11. DNA replication is A. Conservative. B. Semi-conservative. C. Dispersive. D. Random. 12. The genetic material in most organisms is A. RNA. B. DNA. C. Protein. D. Lipid. 13. Adenine pairs with thymine through A. 1 hydrogen bond. B. 2 hydrogen bonds. C. 3 hydrogen bonds. D. 4 hydrogen bonds. 14. Guanine pairs with cytosine through A. 1 hydrogen bond. B. 2 hydrogen bonds. C. 3 hydrogen bonds. D. 4 hydrogen bonds. 15. A DNA polymerase synthesizes DNA in A. 3 feet 5 feet direction. B. 5 feet 3 feet direction. C. Both directions. D. Random direction. 16. The triplet code UGA is A. Start codon. B. Stop codon. C. Glycine codon. D. Methionine codon. 17. The start codon is A. UA. B. AUG. C. UGA. D. UAG. 18. Which RNA carries amino acids to ribosomes? A. mRNA. B. rRNA. C. tRNA. D. snRNA. Evolution. 19. Natural selection was proposed by A. Lamarck. B. Darwin. C. De Vries. D. Wallace. 20. The survival of the fittest concept supports A. Mutation theory. B. Natural selection. C. Germplasm theory. D. Catastrophism. 21. Industrial melanism is associated with A. Peppered moth. B. Butterfly. C. Honey bee. D. Fruit fly. 22. Homologous organs indicate A. Convergent evolution. B. Divergent evolution. C. Artificial selection. D. Mutation. Biotechnology. 23. PCR was invented by A. Watson. B. Carey Mullis. C. Crick. D. Morgan. Chobis restriction enzymes are called A. Molecular pumps. B. Molecular scissors. C. Molecular motors. D. Molecular carriers. 25. The vector commonly used in recombinant DNA technology is A. Ribosome. B. Plasmid. C. Mitochondria. D. Lysosome. Ecology. 26. The pyramid of energy is always A. Upright. B. Inverted. C. Spindle-shaped. D. Irregular. 27. Which is an example of an endemic species of India? A. Lion-tailed macaque. B. Polar bear. C. Kangaroo. D. Penguin. 28. Biodiversity conservation outside natural habitat is called A. In situ conservation. B. Ex situ conservation. C. Afforestation. D. Agroforestry. Oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin is A. Linear. B. Hyperbolic. C. Sigmoid. D. Parabolic. 30. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. D. Superior vena cava. 31. The normal pH of human blood is approximately A. 6.8. B. 7.4. C. 8.2. D. 5.5. 32. Which part of the nephron is mainly responsible for selective reabsorption? A. Glomerulus. B. Bowman's capsule. C. Proximal convoluted tubule. D. Collecting duct. 33. The hormone that decreases blood glucose level is A. Glucagon. B. Adrenaline. C. Insulin. D. Cortisol. 34. Which vitamin deficiency causes pernicious anemia? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. 35. The pacemaker of the human heart is A. AV node. B. SA node. C. Bundle of His. D. Purkinje fibers. Digestion nutrition. 36. The largest gland in the human body is A. Pancreas. B. Liver. C. Thyroid. D. Pituitary. 37. Which enzyme converts proteins into peptides in the stomach? A. Trypsin. B. Pepsin. C. Amylase. D. Lipase. 38. Bile juice is stored in the A. Liver. B. Gallbladder. C. Pancreas. D. Duodenum. Nervous system. 39. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature and hunger? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Hypothalamus. D. Cerebrum. 40. The functional unit of the nervous system is A. Nephron. B. Neuron. C. Osteon. D. Sarcomere. 41. The myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system is formed by A. Astrocytes. B. Schwann cells. C. Microglia. D. Oligodendrocytes. Reproduction. 42. Fertilization in humans generally occurs in the A. Ovary. B. Uterus. C. Ampullary region of fallopian tube. D. Cervix. 43. Human sperm are produced in the A. Epididymis. B. Seminiferous tubules. C. Vas deferens. D. Prostate gland. Genetics. 44. DNA replication takes place during which phase of the cell cycle? A. G phase. B. S phase. C. G phase. D. M phase. 45. The chromosome number in a human somatic cell is A. 23. B. 44. C. 46. D. 48. 46. Which scientist discovered the double helix structure of DNA? A. Mendel. B. Watson and Crick. C. Darwin. D. Morgan. 47. The unit of heredity is A. Chromosome. B. DNA. C. Gene. D. Genome. Evolution. 48. Analogous organs are evidence of A. Divergent evolution. B. Convergent evolution. C. Mutation. D. Isolation. 49. Which theory was proposed by Lamarck? A. Natural selection. B. Mutation theory. C. Inheritance of acquired characters. D. Germplasm theory. Biotechnology. 50. Restriction endonucleases cut DNA at A. Random sites. B. Specific recognition sites. C. Ribosomes. D. Telomeres. 51. PCR is mainly used to A. Translate proteins. B. Amplify DNA. C. Digest proteins. D. Produce ATP. Ecology. 52. Which ecosystem has the highest biodiversity? A. Desert. B. Tropical rainforest. C. Tundra. D. Grassland. 53. Ozone depletion is mainly caused by A. CO. B. CFCs. C. Methane. D. Nitrogen. 54. Which of the following is a primary consumer? A. Grass. B. Deer. C. Tiger. D. Eagle. 55. The ecological pyramid that is always upright is A. Pyramid of numbers. B. Pyramid of biomass. C. Pyramid of energy. D. Pyramid of population. 56. Which is an example of an abiotic component of an ecosystem? A. Bacteria. B. Grass. C. Soil. D. Earthworm. Chemistry, questions 57 to 84. Physical chemistry. 57. 1 mole of an ideal gas occupies 22.4 liters at A. 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. B. 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. C. 100 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. D. 0 degrees Celsius and 2 atm. 58. The C unit of pressure is A. Bar. B. Atmosphere. C. Pascal. D. Torr. 59. The oxidation number of manganese in KMNO is A plus 4. B plus 5. C plus 6. D plus 7. 60. Which of the following is a strong electrolyte? A. CH2. B. NHO. C. NaCl. D. HCO. 61. The pH of a 0.01 m HCl solution is ACE1. B2. C3. D4. 62. Which law explains the relationship between pressure and volume at constant temperature? A. Charles' law. B. Boyle's law. C. Gay-Lussac's law. D. Avogadro's law. 63. The rate of a reaction depends upon A. Temperature. B. Concentration of reactants. C. Catalyst. D. All of the above. Inorganic chemistry. 64. Which element belongs to group 17 of the periodic table? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Chlorine. D. Sulfur. 65. The element with the highest electronegativity is A. Oxygen. B. Chlorine. C. Fluorine. D. Nitrogen. 66. Which of the following is an alkaline earth metal? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Magnesium. D. Aluminium. 67. Which gas is evolved when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. D. Chlorine. 68. The chief ore of iron is A. Bauxite. B. Galena. C. Hematite. D. Zinc blende. 69. Which process is used for the extraction of aluminium? A. Blast furnace. B. Hall-Héroult process. C. Bessemer process. D. Monde process. 70. Which noble gas is used in electric bulbs? A. Helium. B. Neon. C. Argon. D. Krypton. Organic chemistry. 71. The opaque name of CHO is A. Ethanol. B. Methanol. C. Propanol. D. Butanol. 72. Which functional group is present in aldehydes? A. OF. B. CU. C. CHO. D. NH. 73. Benzene contains A. Only single bonds. B. Only double bonds. C. Delocalized pi electrons. D. Triple bonds. 74. Which hydrocarbon belongs to the alkene series? A. CH. B. CH. C. CH. D. CH. 75. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? A. Glucose. B. Maltose. C. Lactose. D. Sucrose. 76. Ethanoic acid belongs to A. Alcohols. B. Aldehydes. C. Carboxylic acids. D. Ketones. 77. Which reaction is characteristic of alkenes? A. Substitution. B. Addition. C. Elimination. D. Polymerization only. Environmental chemistry. 78. Which gas is mainly responsible for acid rain? A. Oxygen. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. 79. Ozone is mainly found in the A. Troposphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Thermosphere. 80. The greenhouse effect is mainly due to A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Mixed chemistry. 81. The C unit of energy is A. Watt. B. Joule. C. Newton. D. Pascal. 82. Which acid is present in vinegar? A. Citric acid. B. Oxalic acid. C. Acetic acid. D. Lactic acid. 83. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Sodium. B. Mercury. C. Iron. D. Aluminium. 84. Which gas is commonly used in the Haber process? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Chlorine. 95. According to Piaget, a child develops the ability to think abstractly during the A. Sensorimotor stage, B. Preoperational stage, C. Concrete operational stage, D. Formal operational stage. 86. Who proposed the theory of the zone of proximal development, ZPD? A. Skinner, B. Vygotsky, C. Piaget, D. Brunner. 87. The process of learning through reinforcement is associated with A. Constructivism, B. Behaviorism, C. Humanism, D. Gestalt psychology. 88. Which psychologist proposed the trial and error theory of learning? A. Pavlov, B. Thorndike, C. Skinner, D. Brunner. Teaching methodology. 89. Which teaching method is most suitable for developing scientific attitude among students? A. Lecture method, B. Demonstration method, C. Inquiry method, D. Dictation method. 90. Which of the following is a learner-centered method of teaching? A. Lecture method, B. Project method, C. Dictation method, D. Drill method. 91. A biology teacher uses laboratory experiments to verify scientific principles. This method is called A. Lecture method, B. Demonstration method, C. Experimental method, D. Storytelling method. 92. Which teaching aid is most suitable for explaining the human heart? A. Audio recording, B. Chalk only, C. Three-dimensional model, D. Dictionary. Assessment and evaluation. 93. Formative assessment is mainly used to A. Rank students, B. Improve learning during teaching, C. Award certificates, D. Conduct board examinations. 94. Which assessment is conducted before starting instruction to identify prior knowledge? A. Summative assessment, B. Placement assessment, C. Formative assessment, D. Terminal assessment. 95. Bloom's taxonomy includes which of the following domains? A. Cognitive, B. Affective, C. Psychomotor, D. All of the above. 96. Continuous assessment mainly helps teachers to A. Improve classroom teaching, B. Punish students, C. Reduce attendance, D. Conduct only final examinations. Inclusive education and ICT. 97. Inclusive education emphasizes A. Teaching only gifted students, B. Separate classrooms for CWSN, C. Equal learning opportunities for all learners, D. Excluding slow learners. 98. ICT in education primarily aims to A. Replace teachers, B. Enhance teaching learning through technology, C. Reduce student participation, D. Eliminate classroom interaction. NEP 2020 and Professional Ethics. 99. The National Education Policy, NEP 2020 promotes A. Rote memorization, B. Competency-based learning, C. Only annual examinations, D. Teacher-centered learning. 100. An effective teacher should A. Encourage questioning and critical thinking, B. Discourage classroom interaction, C. Depend only on textbooks, D. Avoid using teaching aids.